Welcome to the Motorized Window Coverings How-To series, designed to assist you in installing and programming motorized window coverings. In this video, we will show you how to replace the remote control for a programmed blind. Firstly, ensure that the power is connected to the motor. If you have a multi-channel remote control, select the desired channel. Switch the power off to the motor for 2 seconds. Switch the power on to the motor for 10 seconds. Switch the power off to the motor for 2 seconds and back on to the motor. The motor will start to jiggle. Hold the program button on the remote control until the motor jiggles. The new remote control is now paired to the motor and you've completed this video tutorial. Feel free to view other videos in the Motorized Window Coverings How-To series, or for additional assistance, please contact Somfy.